Good day guys, and today magkat-on ta sa the consonant sound of letter R. R sa R. R. So please repeat after me. So the first word, run. Very
It's run,
good.
not ran. It's run. Wait,
Run.
Sama ka. Run. Run or run.
Sorry. Run.
Mana?
Run. Rat. Rat. Very good. Rake. Very good again. Wrist. Okay. Rabbit. Very good. Radio. Again. Radio. Ranch. Emphasize ko ng letter R. Diba? Diba dong?
Oh.
Oh, very good. Minam ka. Race. Manang lumba. Rain kanang uwan. Rice kanang kanon. Rag. Abi ko mag sagbot. Red. Raisin. Ribbon. Rocket. Rich. Ring. Rug. Ganiha, rag. Karon, rug. Kani ang kalian ganiha. So sorry. The difference between the rug and rug is that rug is kanang trapo. Then rug kanang trapo. Sakto?
Yes.
Ang rug nga RAG ay kanang trapo.
No. Reverse. Ay. Rug. Ang RUG mo ng rug na pantrapo. Yang rag kay basta lahi ng rag.
Ay ba?
O sakto lagi.
Excuse me po. Then, let's proceed to middle. Carrot. Earring. Iron. Giraffe. Shirt. Fairy. Scissors. Camera. Nurse. Bird. Horse. Arm. Fork. Lizard. Pirate. Diba? Pirate. Parrot. Verb parrot. Turtle. Party. Verb. And then let's proceed to the ending sound of letter R.
Dilo sige pag-draw gano gay dilo.
Sorry for that interruption. For. Deer. Tear. Jar. Doctor. Dollar. Oy. Hammer. Car. Door. Bear. Ear. Pear. Alligator. Feather. Mother. Ladder. Chair. Tire. So that was the first lesson, and let's proceed to our next topic nga, which it will be shown. Boom. Diba naara? Oh, may hanoy wala mo sa amo. Magic. So let's proceed to the initial R phrase. Again, repeat after me. Cute rabbit. Old radio. Scoop of raisins. Read quietly. Raccoon tail. Dish rag. Rake leaves.
Oy Jilo unsa ay pag-drag balay Jilo.
First, you draw the line, the two line, then boss.
Oh,
And
thank
then-
you.
Recycle bin. Long race. Heavy rain. Big rat. red crayon. Tennis racket. Racket.
It's not rocket, it's rocket.
Ay, sorry, ha? Tennis rocket. Sakto?
Yeah,
Ah,
sakto.
sakto. Very good. Pretty rainbow. Reach up high. Old rhinoceros. Then, these are now the sentence. I see a rabbit in the grass. They all wanted to race together. I am listening to an old radio. The rain was pouring down. I want raisins in my cereal. The rat was looking for something. The rat was looking for some cheese. It was fun to read about princesses. She is showing. Unsa gini pagbasa? Unsa pagbasa? She is best. Kani siya? Kaning she is She is showing.
Yes.
She is. Oh, di ba? She is showing people how to recycle. The raccoon has a striped tail. He hit their ball with a racket. Use the rag to clean the floor. I see more than one rainbow. We rake leaves in the fall. She is trying to reach. She is trying to reach the rings. Red is my favorite color. The rhinoceros has big horns. So again, the neck. That was our second topic, and let's proceed to medial R races. Again, repeat after me. Suspect arrest. Fresh blueberries. Cherry on top. Erase a mistake. Big garage. Superhero. Peel orange. Nice squirrel. Fat walrus. Again, walrus. One arrow. Digital camera. Breakfast dairy. Fairy costume. Tall giraffe. Dry macaroni. Talking parrot. Fun story. And new x-ray. So that will be all that I will be teaching for you this day, and
Evening. Evening. It's 6 o'clock. Oh no, 7. So evening.
oh no.
Yeah.
Basta. So that will be all I will teach you. Okay, that will be all that I can teach to you all, children. Until next time. Kalimot di ko day. Special thanks to John Henrich Aynayad Tingog Boss.
Ay.
Thank you all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to his channel. And mine too. Don't forget to
The
like,
tutor.
comment, and subscribe the
The tutor.
tutor. Until next time. Peace!